Bengi mar Diamond Trust Bank Kenya Limited DTB koro geno mar bedo jokanyo Tudruok Kod Chamba Commerce pacho kae mong'ere kaka Guandong. Mano en lendo maber nogol e kinde ma niketo kogono e kind DTB to kod Chamber of Commerce. Kane oloso nyasi makamano jata tije kendo director mar DTB Nasim Devi olero ni Diamond en mar tego ohala e kind Kenya to kod China. Kagede konya hinya bero dongruok e pacho ka gisiro ka gibiro bedo ka gisiro ohand mar China kendo mago mag Kenya ma itime gwenge mag Guandong province.
As you know, the bilateral trade agreement or the bilateral trade that goes on between Kenya and China is huge, and that's very established. But what we have seen as well is with it, we've seen the social ties as well. And what that means is it's attracting Chinese communities to Kenya. And you can see from the numbers, they are growing. And so what we are trying to do is really come and offer them a platform of financial services to the Chinese communities so that they are able to work seamlessly. They are able to establish businesses, work with us, and we in turn are able to offer them financial services, tailor-made products, and whatever are the needs. And we do that, and we intend to do that through the Chinese desk that we have established. And so really they have to feel at home. They have to taste the best service that DTB offers. And really they have to see that it is a seamless service. It is a seamless situation here. And so that would encourage them to come to Kenya, to settle down here, to open businesses and be part of Kenya. So there is a win-win for both communities. So maybe I didn't explain that, but for Chinese community, the importers, the exporters are going to be able to use our platform to either send money or receive money in either receive it in Kenya shilling or send money in RMB in the Chinese currency seamlessly, because that is what our Chinese coverage platform offers. Receive money and it gets converted into Kenya shillings, and send money, Kenya shillings, to RMB, the currency, Chinese currency, seamlessly. So really it is a two-way street. It really supports businesses, not just the Kenyan businesses, Kenyan and Chinese businesses. It's a whole ecosystem. And I explained to you in my speech, we are trying to serve the whole entire ecosystem of business. And so hopefully we should be able to do that. The Chinese desk was rolled out at the end of last year, and it's already working. It is operating. It is operational. So really, all that it means is the members of the Kenton Chamber of Commerce Kenya chapter has to just plug and play. It's as easy as that. Easy as that.